Yo, hello everyone. Welcome back to TMT where you master trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. So today we have already mentioned that the dollar index is reaching back and going back to the lower sides, reaching through this lower. And from the gold market perspective, we also seeing that the price of gold, well, I didn't really expect the gold that really crazy to be honest. I was actually much more expectations at the price of silver is also going higher. Seems like the price of silver is also quite strong. So yeah, today I only give for gold market. So I'm actually only giving out gold market. So yeah, let's see the crude oil. Crude oil, I'm actually giving out this trade. So this trade, I actually wanted to everyone to do long positions from here and do expectations that the price will be reaching back towards on this level as well. So we'll be telling everyone to do long positions as we mentioned that overall the market situation is quite bullish because of the dollar index is going lower. So that's why we recommend everyone to do shots on the dollar index right now, and gold market will be definitely continue going higher. But to be honest, I didn't really expected that much lah. Seems like the price wanted to break through the monthly high. Yeah, seems like the price wanted to break through this monthly high. Quite possible right now. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical at the moment. At first, I was a bit skeptical, but right now, I think it seems like it's a bit possible. Didn't expected that it's another way around. So price is actually quite bullish and reaching back towards on the top side. Quite strong. Yeah, I think the price is wanted to go this high. So at this moment, we can't really give much opinion already because I expect that the price should be reaching back towards on this level, and then after that, the price might be slowing down later on. Okay, so yeah, should be around here. So let's make it much more nicer. Okay. So remember everyone, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from 10 to 11. So if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below or maybe give us some support because your support and it's really important at this moment. Okay. So remember. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Oh shit, huh? Okay, so right now what we are expecting from the gold market. Okay, so hopefully everyone can give us some like and subscribe and do follow our channel. Okay, we'll be doing live streaming sessions from every day, so hopefully everyone can give us some support out of it. Okay, so your support is really important at this moment. Hopefully you guys do give us some like and subscribe. Okay, give us some like and subscribe and do give us some support out of it. Okay, so yeah, it seems like the gold market is reaching through really strong. So let's see where is the resistance area and where can we do much about it. Seems like right now it's facing a resistance. So let's see where is it. Where is the resistance area? I think the price might be reaching through a major resistance here. So is 3429. 3429 is actually a major resistance area. So let's see. 3429. 3429 is actually a resistance area. So we'll be handling down on 3429. Seems like the price is 3430 lah. Seems like the price is actually showing some resistance area, I guess. Three, 4, 3, 0. See pricing range. See 10.10.16. Seems like the price should be reaching back towards somewhere on the lower sides, but seems like it's actually wanted to break higher already. Oh, quite strong. Wow, didn't really expect this kind of strength. So yeah, 1K. Going toilet first. Okay, so let's see what can we do right now. Let's analyze the Euro USD pairings because I do think we can actually do some analysis out of it on Euro USD pairings. So let's see. The Euro USD pairing is actually quite strong, and my expectation is that the price is wanted to go higher as well. So yeah. Price reaching through this resistance, somewhere slowing down, as I do expect that it's not likely to reach through the lower side, I guess. Let me think. Seeing that the price is actually reaching through some solid resistance, so for I don't think the price will be going that much higher from the Euro USD pairings. This is what I'm expected to. As I mentioned, the price really reached through, so it's not quite likely to reach through to the top, especially the price has been reaching through to the bottom already. So yeah, this is my expectations from the what we call the gold, the Euro USD pairings. So yeah, I don't think the price should be reaching any further. I think this, we can actually saying that this might be a liquidity grab, or sorry, not liquidity grab, exhaustions pushing lower, then price is wanted to go back. And yeah, but I don't think the price will be going that much higher lah. So I will be saying that this will be a really major resistance on 1.16859. So should be around here, 859. Yeah, I guess we can actually just like this lah. Okay. Expect that this might be a resistant area, price might be reaching through and then going back to the lower sides. Dollar index is going lower, as I mentioned, quite accurate. Gold market, ooh, keep on going higher, strong like shit. But yeah, seems like it's reaching back to the top. Oh damn, quite strong. Really strong. 190 pips by just a second. So really strong, to be honest. Quite strong. Fuck. Okay, so my expectations right now is that the market will be going back towards on this high, and then the price might be swiping lower and going back to 38 around that area. I mean, what we already mentioned, that 30, is it? I think price might be going back to 30 later on. But yeah, should be reaching back to the top side. But didn't expected this going that much higher. Ooh, that's strong. Let's see, is there anything that we can talk about it? I don't think we do have any news at this moment. Just now the news also not that important. Okay, so let me tell you guys something. Okay, so this week the most important thing is the US PCE price index. The US PCE price index is actually showing us that it's lower than expectations. Therefore, I mean, lower than expectations. Therefore, I mean, higher than expectations. Therefore, we can see that the dollar index is actually going lower. This is our speculations. So you can see that we are actually quite good on speculating that the dollar index is going back to the lower sides. It's not really likely to continue going higher from what we can see from the bigger picture. So it's more likely will be reaching through and forming a big ranging level at this moment. So we already expectations that the price should be facing some kind of resistance and reaching back towards on the lower sides. Okay, so you can see that it's really accurate from our analysis part. So remember, if you do really wanted to know more about it, give us a like and subscribe. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So every single day. So if you do have any questions about it regarding on regarding on trading, risk management, or trend, expectations, and anything else, you can just ask me on the comment section below, and I will be happily answer your questions, okay? So let's see, from the silver is also going that much higher. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Seems like the silver is also slowing down. So gold should be reaching back and then slowing down. Didn't really expected this, but yeah, seems like the gold is also looking to slowing down this moment. So where is it going to? I think the price is actually reaching back to the 29 or 30 area. I think we can actually put it back to this level as 30 as a slowing down phase. 30. It's quite far, quite far. I think it's quite far. I think we can actually just put it here and see how it turns out first. 30. Yeah. But I do think it's quite highly break through this top lah. Didn't expected that. It's crazy, the market. Push back to the price to this top.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing.
Yep. We'll be expecting that the price is reaching back to the top sides. Right now I don't think we can actually do much. Yeah, let's see. Price reaching through. Didn't expected that this week is so crazy. Price will reach through. Seems like the price has continued going higher. Miss out the trade. Hmm. Oh, quite strong the momentum. But my theory it should be right. Price should be reaching through a range by a range. This is data proven, so I think we are actually on the right side. But to be honest, I don't really think the price should be reaching back to the top side. But yeah, currently this is what it is, so we can't do much about it. Also quite strong, the dollar index going lower. GBSD, let's see. GBSD is quite strong on the dropping sign. I do think the price should be reaching back towards the high from the GBSD. GBSD is actually quite strong, and it's also reaching back towards on the top side. Quite likely to see the price reach back to this level. So I can say the price should be reaching back towards, even though right now has a small resistance, but I don't think it's actually enough to slow it down. So I can say it's most likely we'll be seeing price should be reaching back to 1.13, 1.34964. 34164. So the price should be reaching back to this level. 1.34966. 1.34966. I think the price should be reaching back towards this area. 66. Okay. These expectations on the price keep on going higher. Quite likely to see the price to break through as well. I can see, find out where is the where is the spotting area. It's a bit hard to look through right now. Maybe 90 is a really good entry level. Okay, so let's see from the market situations. We do really expectations that the price should be reaching back towards on higher sides. So we can actually look through our other pairings. GBSD is that, EURUSD will be facing resistance area. Crude oil, ooh, didn't expect crude oil drop that much. Let's see on crude oil. I think we can actually do crude oil. So let's see. Crude oil, shit. Oh, okay. Actually, through crude oil. Where will be doing it? I think here is actually quite suitable. Through 63.94. I think should be here. So let's see. I think here is actually quite reasonable. So let's see. Around this level. Okay, I do think the price should be reaching back to this level and then going higher. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be doing long and try. Maybe we can make it. I think we can actually try to do long positions right here. See, can we make it? I think we can actually make this to the top area 670 pips. Let's try, can we do it? Where our stop loss will be putting on it? Stop loss putting back to this level, I guess. Means the stop loss should be around here. So it means I do around 300. See the price range. To be honest, not looking good. So this is let's see. I think it's actually quite okay lah. Let's see. Probably will be aiming back to this top. Gold market. Oh, gold market already reached through this top already. Shit. Strong, gold. Okay, so right now I'm expectations that the crude oil will be going higher, forming back. I think we can actually try to do long positions from here and see how much can we make apart from that. Let's see, are we right or not? This trade should be reaching through that area. We can actually make this out of it, reaching back to the top. Most likely we'll be reaching back to the top on this level. The stop loss might need to put a little bit lower. Here. Let's see the stop loss where we'll be putting on it. I think we can actually put our stop loss here, I guess. Let's see. True. Pointing out support here. So almost there, I guess. Should be around that area. I guess around that level. Not quite much, but yeah, I guess should be fine. Let's see, can we make back to the top side? Yeah, let's see. Not a really good ratio, but about 2 to 1, I guess. 1 to 2 ratio. Let's see. I was wanted to do long positions right here, but the spread issue, so we are out of it from here. So let's see, can we spike back? If we can spike back, I think we can reach back to the top, maybe around another few hours. Only that we can reach back. But this trade, I think, is a bit risky. But I do think overall the trend is going higher. So yeah, let's see, can we make back to this top level? Because my expectation is that this is a strong supporting level. The price should be slowing down. We just need to see if the price is spiking back. If we do see the price spiking back, then everything is looking fine. So let's see. Gold markets continue going higher, but it's already reached through the monthly low high. So I'm not so sure, is it possible to break through this? We already expectations that the price is going lower from the dollar index. So nothing quite new about it. Seems like the price will be going lower and reaching back to this low, quite likely. Let's see, can we make back to the top area? Hmm. Be honest, not so sure can we make to this level, but so far so good. Yep, let's see. We just need to see the price to spike back and it should be fine. But not so sure. But yesterday we also see a last minute push around 20. So I do think it's possible that later on the price might be reaching back. So we keep on holding on it. I don't think the price should be reaching back to that low. So should be reaching back towards on the swiping high. So once the price has been swiping back, then I think it should be fine. And will be speculations that price should be reaching back towards this level. Yep. Okay. Other than that, so everyone remember, if you do really like our content, okay, as we just begin, let me know and give us some like and subscribe, okay? And remember that we'll be doing live streaming sections every single day from Monday to Friday from 8 to from 10 to 11. Right now, your support is the most important thing. I think the price of gold is actually slowing down already. Not so sure about the crude oil. So we have been doing long from here. Yesterday we have been losing out this one, but today I'm quite confident that the price might be reaching higher because the trend is higher, momentum is actually stabilized, and it's but from the bigger structure, uh, yeah, I do think it's much more likely to go higher lah. So yeah, should be reaching back towards on the top sides. Okay, because it's actually quite solid. Solid. From the 4 hour time frame, we also can see solid. But might take some time on this trade. Okay, so remember everyone, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow. We'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, should be not a problem on this one. Let's see, can we just spike back? If we can, I think we can actually get back to pushing higher because yesterday is also last minute push the price from here, last minute push from starting on 12.20. So right now it's only 18 something. So I guess that's always possible that the price might be spiking back. So let's see. We'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. Gold has been reaching through what we call the monthly high, so I don't really expect that the market will be continue going higher. So right now I do currently I'm actually expectations that the price should be reaching back towards on the slowing sides and reaching back towards on this level. So yeah, price is actually uh, yep, I do think the price should be reaching back towards on the lower sides. Where is it going to? Let's see. Once the price has been reaching through this monthly high, my speculation is that the price should be reaching back towards maybe 20, 30. I think we can actually change this one to green. I think the price might be reaching back to this level 30, 39 and see how it turns out. Price might be slowing down at this level. But to be honest, I didn't really expect that the price going that huge. Interesting. Let's see on the crude oil. Crude oil we're still hanging there. Okay, so we have been giving out one of our trades and we do really expectations that price should be reaching back and going back towards the higher sides. So right now I'm expect that the price should be reaching back towards on the top and going back to this level. Dollar index is actually showing some weakness and I do really expect that the price should be going lower and after that it's likely to continue going back to the top. I don't think it's necessary to keep on going lower from what I'm expectations on. So in this circumstances I do really expect price might be swiping back and then reaching back towards on the higher sides. Okay, Hmm. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Can we hold it down? But I do expect that the price should be uh, is actually reaching back to this level. Let's see. In the meantime, 20. How long is it? 2 o'clock, is it? Let's see. Right now is 1, 2, 3. Means there needs to be another 2 hours or so it's about 1 o'clock. Okay, we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. We'll be holding on it, see whether or not later on the price will spike back. If so, we'll be earning another 200 USD on this one. Okay. So I think we'll be ending our live streaming session soon. So if you do really like our content, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions from 10 to 11. Wow, the view is actually quite right now. Hmm. Okay, so as we already mentioned, we have been doing long positions on crude oil, and we do expect that the price should be reaching back towards on the high sides. So overall, we'll be keep on doing long. And why we have been doing long? Because of the structure and all the things has been showing a line with it. Okay, so yeah, align with it. So I'm much more leaning to do long positions and speculate that the price should be going higher. To be honest, I didn't really expect that the gold market would be going that much crazy the last day of the month. Maybe it's because of options or some sort. Price keep on buying it. Yeah, I think maybe something like that. Okay, so overall we have been doing long positions from our crude oil, and we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. So if everyone likes it, remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be ending our live streaming sessions about right now. So remember, if you do have any questions, just leave a comment section below and I will be answering it. Okay, so we'll be ending our live streaming sessions. So even though it's not much people watching it, but we'll be consistent doing it every day lah. So remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys to more. Next Monday or next Tuesday.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and